Hello everyone, so welcome back to our another YouTube video. So in this video we will gonna talk about some IELTS tips and tricks to help you prepare for the IELTS reading section. So let's start our video. So firstly you have to familiarize with yourself with the format of the reading section. That is, in this section there are 3 passages and 40 questions, about 60 minutes, and you should know the types of the questions, that is multiple choice questions and short answer question and sentence completions. So you need to practice active reading. So you need to develop a habit of active reading by skimming the passage to get an overview of the content, and then identifying the main ideas and supporting details. So that will help to do your reading passage fastly and cover your most of the points. And you need to make notes on important points, and you have to focusing on the task at hand, example identifying specific information. And then you need to improve your reading speed, example news articles, essays, scientific, to improve your reading. So you need to read this on daily basis. And then we use techniques such as scanning for keywords and phrases, identifying headings and subheadings, and focusing on the most important information. Also develop your vocabulary, expanding your vocabulary by learning new words and phrases, using flashcards or apps to practice vocabulary. And you can reading widely to expose yourself to different words and phrases. So like in this passage we are talking about this topic, normal topic, and we will guide you about how to solve these questions easily. So you can see in the video I have also attached some passages that I solved thoroughly. So you need to manage your time. So time management is very important. So develop a strategy for managing your time effectively. Allocate time for each passage based on the number of questions you are provided, and prioritize the most difficult questions or those that require the most reading. And also leave some buffer time for unexpected questions or changes. Okay, so you need to just focus on these areas, key areas. So you need to improve these readings. And let's talk about some strategies and specific type of questions. So there are mostly for multiple choice questions, and eliminate obvious incorrect answers. So you need to eliminate those answers which are not appropriate to the questions. Also consider the text and meaning of the sentence, and choose the answer that best fits in the context. For short answer questions, you need to focus on the specific information required. Make sure your answer is concise and accurate. For sentence completion questions, you need to read the sentence carefully to identify the missing information. Like choose the answer that best fits in the context and grammar. And get familiar with the common question types. Practice answer questions that test main ideas and supporting details. Specific information, example dates, numbers, percentage, vocabulary in context, grammar and sentence structure. Also use authentic material. Practice reading authentic material such as news article from reputable sources like Hindustan Times and Times Now, Bharat, etc. etc. You can find it on Google as well. Also you need to textbook and educational materials, like we are discussing this topic about in this video. So you can also refer these topics in this video. And let's take practice test. Also you need to take some practice tests under timed condition to stimulate the actual test experience. Review your performance and identify areas for improvement. Stay calm and focused. So you need to be calm and relax on the test day. Stay calm and focused by getting a good night's sleep before the test, arriving early to get settled before the test starts, and taking deep breaths and focusing on each questions. So I hope you guys like this video and have learned something new about this video. And also my focus is to just spread positivity about IELTS. It is not that difficult. I also got 7 band in this test. So you need to just be focused and just prepare best, yeah, and just do your best and give your best. So by following these steps in the video, you can improve your performance in the IELTS reading section and achieve your desired score. So we will also cover up in next few more videos that are going to be the IELTS series. So you can enjoy watching our videos and also just prepare carefully and about this test. Also we are going to upload some more videos and some practice material for you guys. So if you want more videos, just comment below about what type of videos do you need, and we will get back to you as very soon as possible with our newly fresh video about our series that is going to be a part third of the video. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe our channel. Thank you guys, thank you very much.